पूज्याय मुरुगेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनुवे. This is KP Dharigowdar. I welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe, like and share all my videos. Okay? Today I am giving you such a sum that includes all the four fundamentals. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the four. A wonderful sum. It is created. A man has 595 leaves of Rs 2000 currency note and 15 leaves of Rs 500. This man has income is this much. He purchased 8 TVs for 80,408 rupees, whereas but he returned 7 TVs and got money. He spent rupees 6,000 for site. He purchased it. Find how much money he has now is asked here. Okay, how you have to solve this? See, income group you have to see, check. Income you have to check. 595 leaves into 2000. Sorry, first you have to write 2000 currency note. Then this is constant 2000. Okay, into how many? 595 plus rupees 500 into 15 leaves. See how much money he has now. See, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Whereas as I taught you, this zeros should be counted and put. So these zeros should be counted and put. So how much money he has? 11 lakh rupees he has, and even 90,000 also. Check, it is a business and question of money it is. 2 5s are 10. Yes. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. And 2 5s are 10 11. Yes, correct it is. And 15 5s are 75, but you should not put and hurry because according to place value you have to write. See, 0 should be kept first. Isn't it? 2 zeros will come obviously. See, kept. 15 5s are 75. 5 and 7. Isn't it? Now you multiplied because this much currency notes he has. These many notes he has of 2000 currency note and 15 of 500. So you have to add these because it is income. Here multiplication done. Here addition you are doing now. Okay. 0 0 5 7 9 1 1. Then how much money he has? 11,97,500 he has. And what are the things he purchased? 8 TVs he purchased suddenly. Whereas he returned 7 TVs and only 1 TV purchased. Isn't it? Got money also. Mostly 8 TV divided by 8 he spent. Isn't it? Means per only 1 TV he purchased. Then what is the cost of that TV? We have to find now. So I am dividing it. See, 8 1s are 8. Not divisible. 0 take. 4 taken. Not divisible. Again 0 taken. 8 5s are 40. And here we came 8 1s are 8. Then what is the value of 1 TV? That is 10,051. But he returned 7 TVs and got money also. So, cost of a TV is 10,051. And he spent 6 lakh rupees. See, this is TV cost minus, because he spent from his pocket, he given money. So, site is of 6 lakh rupees. Site it is, isn't it? Both negatives should be added, whereas you get negative, isn't it? See, 6,10,051 it is. Directly from this side I added, because I know that there is nothing change, because 6 lakh is different and 10,051 is, because all zeros you have. So, from this end I started. See, how much he left? 6,10,051 he spent. This is expenditure it is. This is income. And savings means how much remained with him is income minus expenditure. Expenditure is 6,10,051. 6,10,051. Then now remaining amount is how much? You have to subtract. 9, 10 minus 6 it is 4, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 6 4, 5 minus 1 4, 7 as it is, 8 as it is, 9 minus 1 8, and 11 minus 6 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. So how much money he has now? 5,87,449. Okay, understood na? Like this sums will come, and if it is so, you should not be confused. Then things should be understood first. Later you can go for solving that problem. Okay, thank you very much.